back to my channel. It's your girl Nushi, and today I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. This video is a little bit different. Your girl got a shapewear sponsorship and I'm super excited. My collaboration today is going to be with a company called Femme Shapewear. They reached out to me, and just in time actually, because I decided that I wanted to kind of work out. My tummy area likes to stay flat, and I'm very happy about that. Shout out to genetics. However, with quarantine weight and stuff like that, I have put on a few pounds, and I do want to get this summer body right. I'm a little late to the party, but that's okay. It's better late than never, right? Exactly. So today I'm going to bring you guys some of the shapewear pieces they sent me. This is stuff like I don't typically waist train. I'm very blessed to have that hourglass figure. However, I think it does help with burning fat too. And what I noticed is when I wear waist trainers, it helps me suppress my appetite because, your stomach can't expand as far as probably typically it would, you know what I mean? So this is definitely, beneficial. Beneficial is the word I'm looking for. Don't mind my outfit. This is just some workout gear that I have. And yeah, we're going to get started. I'm going to try on the pieces for you guys and let you know what I would use it for, how it fits, the fabric, the materials, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe. Check down below for all the links and coupon codes and descriptions and all that. And yeah, let's get started. So the first item I have here is called the Double Velcro Black, and it's in a 2X. My waist is a 33, but I typically get waist trainers in a 36. So yeah, this is it. And they come in their own individual bags. So this is the bag that it came in, and it says Femme Shapewear. It's in pink and black. Very, very, very cute. They come with a card on the inside, and the card just says Femme Shapewear. I don't know if you guys could see that. Let me just, yeah. And it also has $10 off on the back, which is really cool. It gives you your own individual coupon. So that's really cool. And this is it. This is what it looks like. It's a waist trainer, and it has the Velcro belts in the back. Attached to the back of it. There's two of them, which is cool because I'm tall. So typically one Velcro belt doesn't really do much for me. Typically what I would do is wear like a long tank top and put the waist trainers over that, and that is just to protect my skin. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna stay sexy. I'm gonna keep it sexy and just wear one. So this is not to like compress. This is really to just sweat, So if it's not to compress, you should be able to put it on just fine with no needed help. So this is what it looks like. Here are the belts. That's one. And this is the second one. You guys, I'm so impressed with how long the torso is, because you guys know I'm really tall. I'm 5'10", so it's really hard for me to find a waist trainer that doesn't stop midway down my stomach or, doesn't go all the way up to my bust. But this one covers the full area. Here is the back. This is what the back looks like. How's it looking? I'll turn to the side for you guys to see the side as well. It's really comfortable. It's soft. The belts are really secure. I don't feel like they're about to rip off. Yeah, I don't know. I like this. I feel like this material, I could wear it on my stomach, on my bare stomach. Like, I don't feel like it would irritate my skin at all, actually. And it does give you that hourglass look. It's really smooth. I feel like one of these you could actually wear under your clothes. And like I said, because it's like, pretty secure and pretty tight, it can definitely suppress your appetite. You don't have to worry about, your your stomach over expanding. It will definitely keep you cinched in. This is kind of lit. How do I look? Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next one. So this next waist trainer is called the Zip and Clasp one, and it's in a 2X, and it's in the color black. Again, it comes in another bag with a little card on the inside. And this is what it looks like. This is interesting. So this is what it looks like. It's a little waist trainer. You unzip it like so, and then it has the little clasps on the inside. So this is what it looks like inside. All right, let's try this baby on. This one's gonna be a little more difficult because of the clasps, but let's try. Oh yeah, this one's tight. This one could be a little bit more for compression. So let's just try it on. Okay guys, so I've buckled all of the clasps. This is what it looks like. It still has this zipper area, but this is what it looks like so far. So now I'm gonna zip it. You guys, I'm very impressed with, first of all, how long these are. They're not super long that if you have a shorter toe or so, it would be like overflowing, but they actually are long enough to fit my midsection, which is shocking. Like, I'm shocked. Also with the material, super soft. This one is not as sturdy as the first one because it doesn't have belts. So it does fold a little in the back. So probably what I do is wear this over a regular waist trainer, just so I don't have the folding in the back. But this is super, super comfortable. I don't feel, it's actually not too tight at all. I don't feel uncomfortable. I don't feel super compressed. I feel really comfortable. I could definitely work out in this. The zipper's really sturdy. The clasps are really sturdy. Clasps. They're very sturdy. I don't feel like they're gonna pop open. So that's great, right? All right, guys, we're gonna move on to the next one. All right, so this next waist trainer is called the Latex 3-Hook Black waist trainer. And this is like your typical traditional waist trainer that you see on the IG models. And this is what it looks like. I wish I knew they were sending me this because I had bought one on Amazon and it wasn't as sturdy as this one at all. So I got wasting my money. But this is the latex one. This is what it looks like. Very sturdy. It has 3 hooks, which is great. And yeah, I'm just gonna try it on. These are the ones that I would suggest you wear over like a tank top or something, because especially because latex, it could definitely irritate your skin. So just be mindful of that. Again, because it's not for compression, it's definitely gonna be on the last hook for me. Okay guys, so that actually was pretty easy. That took me all of maybe 1 minute to do. This is what it looks like. It's real pure latex. I feel really compressed, really, did I miss one? Oh, I missed it. Okay. Yeah, I feel really secure in this baby. This is what the back looks like. I'll show you guys the back. I look freakishly like small and petite. This you could definitely wear under clothes if you'd like. I think I probably would wear it under clothes because it is pretty comfortable. It's flexible. It doesn't have the steel bonage, so you're able to move, but it also doesn't bunch. So that's really good. Yeah, this is the one that I would definitely work out in because it will really make you sweat because of the latex. So This is what it looks like. I do have it on the 3rd hook. If you want it to, you know, slim down, you might want to go with a size down just so that you can start on the 1st hook. So I would just read the size chart just to make sure. Do I look weird, y'all? But yeah, okay. I'm gonna show you guys the next one. So this last item I have is called the neoprene vest. And this is also in a 2X. And this is what it looks like. And this is actually a full-blown vest. So I see a lot of people work out in these actually. And you just put it on like so. And it does have the clasps on the inside. So you're gonna wanna clasp that together. Ooh, this one's tight. All right, so I have all of the little clasps buckled. This one is a little bit shorter on my torso than the others, so I would definitely suggest for my taller girls to not go with this one, but like if you're taller than me. However, this will work for me, but definitely for my shorter girls, this would work. I do have it buckled in the last clasp again because I did that on purpose. I told them 36, my waist is a 33, so that kind of makes sense why it's going in the last hook, because I don't want it for compression. I want it to be comfortable so that I can work out in it. So I'm gonna zip it. And this is what it looks like. And it's a whole vest, so it's super comfortable. It has adjustable straps. It goes all the way up in the back for my ladies with the spillage. This is what the back looks like. It's bunching up a little bit, but I just think it's because of the shape of my body. Like my butt is really high, so it is bunching. I don't really have like much room back there, so it's crazy because the front of my torso is long, but I have a short back. So that's just how I'm built. Nothing I can do about it. Nothing the company can do about it unless they customize one specifically for me. So the other ones didn't bunch. This one bunches, but I'd still be able to wear it. I would just probably wear something underneath just so that it doesn't like dig a little bit into the folds of my back. But yeah. This is what it looks like. This is the final item. Do you guys love it? But yeah, this is what it looks like. Actually, I think this might be my favorite one. I know that sounds weird because like the other ones fit perfect, but I just like how the vest goes all the way up, and I'm not getting spillage in the back. I don't know. For some reason, this is my favorite one. I don't know. They're all super, super, super soft. That's another thing that I think makes them comfortable and wearable. All of the fabric is really soft. It's smooth. I don't think they'd show under clothing. So because of that, I'll definitely be wearing these. Femme Shapewear, you guys did that. I really love them, so I'll probably keep this one on. But yeah. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys tell me which waist trainer is your favorite. Which ones do you guys think you're gonna purchase? I definitely am so excited to work out in these. I think it's really gonna be effective, especially since the material is so soft. I know I'll commit to wearing them. And I think I'm gonna wear them during the day too, like I said, to suppress my appetite so that I'm not overeating, to help me get that summer body together. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you waist train? Do you see that it's effective for you? Do you think it's changing the shape of your body to where your waist is a little bit smaller? If it could snatch me up, honey, I'm good with that. That's fine. Yeah, thank you so much, Femme Shapewear, for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check the links down below, guys. Everything will be down below. The links, the sizing, all of that will be down below. And yeah, let me know what else you guys want to see. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. You guys guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nushi. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nushi.